If you want to become a train driver, then I strongly recommend you attend our one-day train driver course. Now, it's a well-known fact that the selection process for becoming a trainee train driver in the United Kingdom is extremely tough to pass. On average, there are 400 applicants for every single vacancy that is advertised. Therefore, you need to be fully prepared, and you also need to have an advantage over the other applicants, and that is where we come in. We are now running a number of one-day train driver training courses that are guaranteed to help you successfully pass the selection process. So what will you learn on the train driver course? Well, first of all, you will learn how to demonstrate the key qualities that are required to become a train driver, and don't underestimate these. These are extremely important, especially during the application form stage and both sets of interviews. So we will go through the assessable qualities and we'll teach you how to demonstrate them during the different stages. We will then come on to the application form and teach you both where to apply and also how to submit a strong application form. We will go through the different sections on the form and provide you with previously successful responses for the train driver application form that will teach you what is required to pass. We will then go through the assessment centre and the different types of tests that you will be required to undertake. As an example, part of the train driver selection process requires you to undertake a group board and concentration test, and during our one-day train driver course you will get the chance to try out this particular test. We will also cover the interviews in depth. Okay, we will provide you with sample interview questions and also provide you with recommended answers that you could use during your particular interview. And at the end of the course you will get the opportunity to try out a mock interview with the course tutor. This allows you to try out your samples to the interview questions in a safe and controlled manner. So the location of the train driver course is at Capital Enterprise Centre, 70 Churchill Square, Kings Hill, Kent, ME19 4YU, and the course itself runs from 9 AM until 5 PM. We generally run the courses over a weekend, so that makes sure that you don't need to take time off work, and it allows you, to get to the centre on time. We have excellent training facilities during the train driver course. Now, the course itself has helped many people to successfully pass the train driver course, and here's just two testimonials. These are genuinely verifiable testimonials. I just heard this afternoon that I've been offered a job as a trainee train driver with ScotRail, conditional on medicals and references. I don't think I would have got here without the help of howtobecome.co.uk. It is a long, hard process to get this far, and this was my second attempt. I totally recommend your course for anyone truly committed to becoming a train driver. And the second one, our tutor Chris was fantastic and delivered the entire day in an engaging way. I wish him all the best success. Please pass on to Chris and let him know that during the last week I received a job offer at Southern Rail as a trainee train driver. I begin in a couple of weeks. So there's two testimonials of many people that we have helped successfully pass the train driver selection process after coming on our course. So the final question, why should you attend? Well, during the course you'll be provided with sample successful application form responses. So we will provide you with these and tell you why they have been successful, so when you come to apply and complete your application form you will have an advantage. You will get to find out sample interview questions, and we will also give you answers to the interview questions, and we will coach you on how to score extremely high, because let's face it, if you get through to the interview stage of the selection process you're not going to want to fail, and coming on this course will certainly give you an advantage over the other applicants. Okay, so you can find out more at www.traindrivercourse.co.uk, and for the small investment that you'll have to give for coming on the course, it's certainly worth it, because many train drivers will earn in excess of £30,000 a year for driving trains. Okay, so don't forget, 400 people on average apply for every single position. This course is guaranteed to give you an advantage over every applicant. Thank you very much for watching.